Today we are working on Excel Lesson 5, the first lesson, creating and arranging worksheet windows. So this is the document you should have open, and you probably are on the file, or excuse me, on the Home tab. So it says on the View tab in the Window group, click New Window. So click right up here on the View tab, and here's the Window group. Click New Window. Move mine up here. It says note that if the workbook was maximized to the full screen, nothing seems to happen when you select this option, but if you take a closer look at the title bar, the workbook is now identified as Ski Resort Snowfall 2. At the same time, you will notice the Excel taskbar icon now shows a shadow indicating there are two workbooks currently open. So mine, you can see two different workbooks. The original window is still open and identified as Ski Resort Snowfall 1. So you can see up here, because I have them one on top of the other, there's a Snowfall 1, Snowfall 2. If the original workbook was displayed as a window, then the second copy will appear as another workbook window in front of and offset a little to the right and down from the original one. You can change the arrangement of the windows to view both at the same time. On the View tab in the Windows, click Arrange All. Excel displays the Arrange Windows dialog box. With the tiled option selected, click OK. Now, where'd my Jasper Active stuff go? There it is. You may have to click down there. Excel arranges the two workbook windows on your screen side by side. If you had more than two windows or had other files open, Excel would then tile them several same size rectangles. In this exercise, both of these workbooks appear identical on the screen, but only one of them is the active one. The active window is the one with the workbook name displayed in bright white in the title bar. The inactive window displayed is in the light gray color. To show you what that one's brighter, this one's not as bright. Both of these windows are views of the same workbook. If you change the cell value in one, the view in the other is updated at the same time. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Select cell B3, and enter the number 5. You can move around the worksheet in each of these windows independently of each other, allowing you to view different parts of the same workbook or even different worksheets at the same time. Drag the horizontal scroll bar of the active window, the one on the left, to move to the right of the worksheet. So it's talking about this. Click anywhere in the other window to make it the active worksheet. Drag the vertical scroll bar to move down the worksheet. This demonstrates that you can scroll through two windows independently of each other, even though they were both showing the same worksheet. So this is kind of weird because we have Jasper Active open, so it kind of messes things up. But just know that you can move things around. I'm not sure if it'll even mark me correct. Let's see. It did. So this completes creating and arranging worksheet windows.